3 ways to be a better man. 3 ways to be a better man. Number 1 is dress well no matter the occasion. As a gentleman, you want to level up in 2025, dress well no matter the occasion. Don't look good sometimes and dress like a commoner other times. Just because you feel like it is not my uncle marrying. No. You want to level up in 2025 as a gentleman, dress well no matter the occasion. Number 2 way to level up as to better yourself as a man is to protect who's behind you and respect who is beside you. What this means is, as much as you can protect anybody who is looking up to you, don't be too hard on them. Guide them, nourish them, groom them, and give respect to everybody who is on your level. Don't say just because I am these people, we are on same financial level, and then you start speaking to them anyhow. No. Respect everyone who is beside you. Number 3 way to be a better man is to be honest. In other words, say what you mean and mean every single word you say. If you say something and you don't mean it today, tomorrow when you mean a thing that you are saying, nobody's going to take you serious. So you want to be a better man in 2025, be honest with yourself. Only say what you mean and make sure you mean the things you say. Don't take your word for granted. That's why before the word proceed out of you, think of it. Yes. Don't say, well, I'm not doing this again. Think of it. What circumstance might push me back to this? Can I be able to overcome it? Can I be able to do this? Because by the time you publicly say that thing, people are expecting not to see you do it again. Peradventure, if they now see you doing it again, you're already a dishonest man. The next time if you are saying something that even if you mean it to the heart, nobody will take you seriously. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. 3 ways to be a better man in 2025.